Good morning! Nobody wants to see a crazy bitch like me like this in the morning without her coffee. So we figured we would show you how you do it. And I've talked about this in my videos before, but it's super easy and just, I don't know, if more people did it, they'd like their coffee better and quit going to Starbucks and stuff like that. But I use the fair trade, organic, whatever. Get whatever kind of beans you can. Then we're going to grind it up here in my old restaurant grinder. Use whole vanilla beans, whole cinnamon stick. By the way, this is real cinnamon, not the Ceylon or whatever. Real cinnamon sticks, star anise, and dried ginger. And so I grind this all up together with the beans. Super easy for the cinnamon sticks. I'll just hit, kind of break it. There we go. So that's it. Super easy. Now, yep, that's it. So we'll go to the grinder. Actually, I'll open these first. I like to get 3 different kinds and mix them all together. Alright, so here we go. Ah, shit! Fuck mornings. Or afternoons. Alrighty. Good thing I'm always cleaning the floor. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's do this again. Alright, well how cool was that? And easy and... So just rotate, the beans and the yummy stuff in there. Here, smell it.
Yeah.
So fresh coffee. All right, so we're gonna go the blah you do. Good morning.